What are we cooking today, Joyce?
Big production. I'm making curry chicken. Usually I will saute the onion first, but I will reverse it this time because I think the chicken has a lot of flavor. Then we put it into the onion. See how much chicken I got?
You cut it and washed it already, Joyce?
No, I didn't wash it. Don't put too much oil in it. The chicken is going to have. Don't come too close. It might splash.
Did you marinate it with anything?
Yeah, oh. You're getting good. I marinated it with ginger juice and little salt, put a little Chinese white wine to it.
Or overnight?
Overnight. You might have to sear 2 separate because there's so much food. Okay, I'm going to just lay it and then rotate it. This is basically dark meat. Like every time we cook something, and oh, that's too much. Then I put it in the freezer. That's the leftover.
You have to cover it?
Eventually, yes. Let it sear. That will be tastier. I'm going to cut the onion. I cut most of them already.
Is that making fries, Joyce?
I cut like 10 onions. Nothing happened to me. When towards the end, you don't throw it away. You can cut it like this. Okay, and then I'll just let it sit. I learned this trick from a Filipino using tomato for the base. I'm just going to rotate it. I basically browning it. I'm going to take it out, pack it here. I'll do the second batch. You can smell it. It's going to be tasty.
Is that fully cooked?
No, not 100% cooked. Because I'm going to make a stew. Okay, I'm going to put this in. And then you can come back. I'm going to take it all out and put the onion in it. See how much oil come out? But this is going to be tasty oil.
All the flavor.
Yeah, Colvin, you better be hungry.
Wow, that's a lot of chicken, Joyce.
This also we shorten the saute time for the onion because the pan and the oil is really hot. Until it's soft. Yeah, translucent. Earlier I cooked out the potato. I put it in water. Cook it until you almost cook through. We're going to still cook it. That's why you don't want to cook it too much, then it becomes mashed potato. Let it cook for a little bit. You see the onion is soft and translucent. I'm going to take it all out.
Is it caramelized too?
Yeah. It smells so good though. With the chicken fat, that's how I like my onion. I like it to disappear. I like it to disappear.
It doesn't exist, Joyce.
Yeah, but the flavor, you know. I'm going to put the tomato. I took the skin off and cook it down. I'm not even worried about putting oil because the chicken has a lot of oil. See, it like the paste. It won't. You know what? I'm going to dunk it in.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to cook it together for a little bit. I could have put the curry in it.
That's spicy?
No. Open a little bit. Put the curry in the middle. This is just supermarket curry. Nothing special. Like 2 tablespoons. You know this is going to be good, right? I'm not putting the potato in yet because the chicken needs some time to cook. And we know who wants the potato anyway. Coconut milk. Smells really good already. Turn it lower. It's boiled back already. Half and half. This is for taste, basically. This is the way I make curry. It's not Indian. It's not whatever. It's Joyce's way. Okay, I'm going to cover it. Let it cook for like 20 minutes. Then I'll put the potato in it. Lower it for it to simmer. Wow. I have 2 kinds of potato. Yukon Gold. And this is the little red potato. It's copper. You don't want it. But it's going to be so tasty though.
Yeah, I know.
This is pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Do you think you can do it?
No.
Hell no.
I can eat it though, Joyce.
I know that. That's why you're here. But if you're not here, what am I going to do without this food?
You have to mix it?
Eventually, yeah. For the potato to get the flavor.
Are you going to cover it again?
Yes. You just try to push it down.
What, the potato?
The potato. Just I sort of lift this up and the potato will fall down into the sauce. Okay, now we'll cover it, let it cook for another 15 minutes. Then we'll check. For curry, you make sure you don't get it on your clothes. See, that's why I'm wearing black today. Drumstick?
Sure.
Chicken wing. Doesn't want to stay. Potato. There's the side. little sauce, but make sure don't get it on your clothes. That's all you're getting. Picture time.
Wow.